Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
However, when using flour as a gravy thickener, you must double the amount. Use 2 tablespoons of flour per 1 cup of liquid. Use a whisk or wooden spoon to incorporate, stirring constantly until you thicken the gravy to the desired consistency.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Steps. Mix a little flour and water in a bowl. Use 2 tablespoons, about 16 to 18 grams, of flour in. Stir the flour and water combination into your sauce. Cook the sauce over medium heat until it thickens. Let the sauce cook 1 more minute after it thickens.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.